Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure developer options are active. Tap build number 7 times to reveal them. Once done, enable USB debugging inside developer options so the phone can talk to your PC. Make sure to use a good USB cable and a direct USB port, not a hub. On the PC, install the official Oppo drivers or universal ADB drivers. This is why ADB will later detect the device. If drivers fail, replug the cable and retry toggling Bluetooth to off. You now verify the connection by running a DB devices on your computer. Look for device ID or the word unauthorized. If you see unauthorized, watch the phone for the RSA key prompt and tap allow. Choose always allow when connecting to a trusted PC. Once accepted, rerun a DB devices. You should see the device listed. If the command shows nothing, kill and restart the ADB server. Switch USB mode to file transfer, and make sure no other software is capturing the connection. You finish by cycling power and settings to clear stubborn glitches. Toggle USB debugging off and on, reboot the Oppo, then restart your computer. Simple restarts often fix handshake problems. If trouble persists, swap the USB cable or try a different port or another PC to rule out hardware. As a final measure, reset developer options or perform a factory reset, but only after backups. Troubleshooting tip: if ADB still shows unauthorized, revoke USB debugging authorizations on the phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.